What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Pro. Today, I'm going to talk about something I just found out about, and I've been doing a lot of research on it. Chime. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it, but it's a new secured credit card to way to build credit, and they don't check your credit report, so you won't have a hard equity on there. So, Chime is you can go on the website chime.com, and they have great articles about making money, passive income, things like that. It's great articles on there. But you can also they also have something like self lender credit strong, where you pay into the system, you get that money back at the end of the payment cycle, or you stop it, or whatever you want to do with it, and they report to your credit bureau every month. And this is a secured credit card, so no fees and 0% APR, no credit check to apply, no minimum security deposit required. Wow, that's a great opportunity. And you can join the waiting list. Go to chime.com. And this is not a paid sponsorship. This is some information I just want to put out there and help other people to build credit as well. It says on here, increase your credit by an average of 30 points using Credit Builder credit card. And just keep that in mind. That's going to take at least 30 to 60 days for that to report, and for the credit bureaus to, you know, help that credit score go up as far as your debt to income and credit, and what you have on there, credit history. Just keep that in mind. It's a big piece of a puzzle, dealing with credit for the people that really don't know. No fees or surprises. We're here to help. It says on the website. No credit check to apply. Like I said previously, make every purchase count just like a real credit card. Safer credit building. So you don't have just a regular credit card. This is actually helping you build your credit up. Keep that in mind. And I think this is a great opportunity. I believe Self came out with something like this, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys know more about that Self credit card or secured credit card, please comment below. And it says how it works is you just add money from your spending account, and just like a regular credit card. Make sure you don't max it out every year, every month, and add money from your Chime spending account into Credit Builder secured account anytime. And you join the waiting list. One person on here said their credit score went up 90 points. So everyone is different. Every credit report is different. So you guys can use that. Another person on here said it changed my credit score for the good. And you can go down here, and it says before applying, how do I apply for it? It says, how can I join the Credit Builder wait list? What do I need to apply for Credit Builder? Let's check on that. Payroll deposit of $200, and that's with any secured credit card minimum. Will we check credit, the credit reports? No, we will not check credit reports. But they do report to the credit bureaus. We're going to get to that, to which credit bureaus. Let's see. How can the credit builder help my score? You can go in there and read that. And it looks like they report to TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, which is great. I would definitely get that. I'm on the waiting list. Let's see. Is Credit Builder a secured credit card? Yes. Credit Builder is a secured credit card. It can help you build credit by letting you borrow against the money you add, just like a regular secured card, but this one reports to your credit bureaus. So that's going to help you out, help them out, and everybody is happy. Which credit bureaus do they report to? Like I said, all three. What is the credit limit? There is no credit limit. So if you want to put $500, $1,000 on there, do that. You can do it. If I use all the money I add into the credit builder, Will Credit Builder report high utilization, and will that help my credit score? No, Credit Builder does not report percent utilization to the major credit bureaus because it has no preset credit limits. That means spending up to the amount you added will not show a high utilization. So, you guys check that out, chime.com, Credit Builder, and check out the articles that I've mentioned. They have some great articles on there. I'm going to get back to reading most of them now. See you guys next time. Please subscribe, comment below. Financial Pro on YouTube.